This is Frank McDowell, my old TV station live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Very strong winds is going to hit southern Ontario on Monday, November 24th, 2014, during nighttime hours. It's going to be very strong winds capable of knocking out power in Toronto, Ontario, and the rest of southern Ontario as well. Winds are going to be very strong in southern Ontario, including Toronto, Ontario. It's going to come from the west direction. It's going to bring very strong winds gusting up to 80 to 90 kilometers per hour in southern Ontario, especially in Toronto, Ontario as well. The same powerful windstorm will also affect St. Catharines, Ontario, Hamilton, Ontario, and Niagara Falls as well. Since the winds will be very strong, coming from the southwest, 50 kilometers per hour. It's going to gust up to 90 kilometers per hour in southern Ontario, especially by the Great Lakes. The same powerful winds will also affect Owen Sound, Collingwood, Midland, Barrie, Kitchener, London, Sarnia, and Windsor, Ontario as well. Make sure to have your flashlights ready, candles ready, crank up radio ready, generators ready, extra batteries ready, and battery operated lanterns ready. Make sure to have your iPads charged, iPods charged, cell phones charged, laptops charged, tablets charged, and have your 3G 14 ready. Order your pizzas and order your Chinese food. Buy cases of Pepsi, buy cases of Coke. When you go outside, watch out for fallen telephone poles and bringing down power lines in southern Ontario, especially in Toronto as well. If you have anybody living in southern Ontario, be prepared for a powerful windstorm on Monday, November 24, 2014, during evening hours. Take care, stay safe. Don't get caught in a powerful windstorm. Stay safe.